Gouache painting techniques for fruits and stainless steel. Composition arrangement. Choose fruits with distinct shapes and sizes such as apples, grapes, or lemons, and pair them with stainless steel objects like bowls, teapots, or spoons to create visual contrast. Leverage the reflective quality of stainless steel by incorporating fruit colors into its surface, enhancing harmony in the composition. Light and shadow rendering. Fruits. Define volume with light and shadow transitions, including highlights, core shadows, and reflected light. Stainless steel. Strong contrast between highlights, dark areas, and reflections requires keen observation to accurately depict mirrored reflections of the environment. Texture representation. Fruits. Use delicate brushwork to depict different textures. Smooth for apples, rough for oranges, and slightly translucent for grapes. Employ wet and wet techniques for soft transitions or dry brush strokes to enhance fruit skin textures. Stainless steel. Use fluid brush strokes to capture the sleek, polished surface and subtle color shifts from the surrounding reflections. Preserve strong highlights by reserving white space or scraping out bright areas with a palette knife. Color application. Fruits. Avoid flat, single-tone coloring. Introduce complementary and environmental hues for a more dynamic, realistic look. Stainless steel. Though inherently gray, its surface absorbs surrounding colors, creating warm and cool variations that add depth. Brushwork and detail handling. Use broad brushes for initial color blocking, establishing light and shadow relationships quickly. Short, textured strokes enhance fruit details, while smooth, elongated strokes best portray polished metal surfaces. Strong reflections on glass or polished steel can be left white or scraped out with a knife for an ultra-realistic effect.